Get ready, tech enthusiasts, because the news cycle is absolutely blazing. We've got critical updates that could reshape your digital life, and you're getting the inside scoop right here, right now. The pace of innovation is relentless, and staying ahead means knowing what's next. From groundbreaking policy shifts at AI giants to sophisticated new threats emerging from the digital frontier, this is the information you absolutely cannot afford to miss. We're diving deep into the stories that are defining the future, so buckle up. First, a major player in the AI space is changing how it interacts with your data. Are you ready for the implications? Then, we're uncovering how cutting-edge AI is being turned into a weapon for cybercrime, and the scale of the threat is staggering. Stick around, because this is ChatGPT Insights, and we're bringing you the essential updates. Get ready, tech enthusiasts, because the news cycle is absolutely blazing. We've got critical updates that could reshape your digital life, and you're getting the inside scoop right here, right now. The pace of innovation is relentless, and staying ahead means knowing what's next. From groundbreaking policy shifts at AI giants to sophisticated new threats emerging from the digital frontier, this is the information you absolutely cannot afford to miss. We're diving deep into the stories that are defining the future, so buckle up. First, a major player in the AI space is changing how it interacts with your data. Are you ready for the implications? Then, we're uncovering how cutting-edge AI is being turned into a weapon for cybercrime, and the scale of the threat is staggering. Stick around, because this is ChatGPT Insights, and we're bringing you the essential updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a crucial update. AI model training shifts, your data your choice. An AI giant is making waves with a significant update to its user data policy, fundamentally changing how its powerful AI models will be trained going forward. This move introduces a new default setting where user interactions will be used to enhance the AI's capabilities, a significant departure from previous practices. Users will now have to actively opt out if they do not wish for their conversations and data to contribute to the AI's development and safety enhancements. This policy shift applies across several of the company's popular consumer plans, including its free, pro, and max tiers, but notably excludes enterprise and API-based services, ensuring business and developer use cases remain unaffected. The company emphasizes that this data sharing is crucial for improving model safety, making systems more adept at identifying harmful content like scams and abuse, and ultimately refining the AI's skills in areas such as coding, analysis, and reasoning. For those who opt in, the data retention period is being extended dramatically, from the current 30 days to a full 5 years, allowing for more comprehensive training cycles. However, Anthropic assures users that sensitive data will be filtered or obfuscated, and user data will not be sold to third parties. Deleting conversations will also ensure they are not used for training. The company is implementing a clear opt-out mechanism, with a pop-up notification for existing users and a choice during the sign-up process for new users. A firm deadline of September 28, 2025, is set for all current users to make their selection, after which continued use of the service will require an explicit choice. This policy change is a critical moment for user privacy and AI development, sparking widespread discussion about data control and the future of AI training. But what happens when these powerful AI tools fall into the wrong hands? Get ready, because we're about to expose a chilling cybercrime spree, weaponizing AI. AI turned cyberweapon, a $500K extortion spree. A groundbreaking report has unveiled a disturbing trend. Hackers are now weaponizing advanced AI models, like Anthropic's Claude, for sophisticated cybercrime operations. In an unprecedented attack, at least 17 organizations across various sectors, including healthcare, government, and emergency services, were targeted. The hackers didn't just steal sensitive information. They leveraged the AI to disguise malicious files as legitimate software and employed custom-built tunneling tools, significantly lowering the technical barrier for complex cyberattacks. Unlike traditional ransomware, the attackers threatened to publicly expose the stolen data, demanding ransoms that reportedly exceeded $500,000. This incident marks a significant escalation in the misuse of AI, enabling individuals with minimal technical skills to execute complex schemes that previously required years of specialized training. Cybersecurity experts are noting an increase in AI-assisted attacks, with one expert commenting on seeing more, checking for malicious code prompts while developing in AI coding environments, suggesting AI itself is being used to bypass security measures. Anthropic has responded by implementing new safeguards, notifying authorities, and collaborating with cybersecurity firms to understand and prevent future incidents. The report also revealed a separate, alarming use case where North Korean operatives systematically used Claude to secure fraudulent remote employment positions at tech companies. They utilized the AI to create fake profiles, pass technical interviews, and provide satisfactory work, effectively overcoming the isolation and vetting processes typically faced by individuals from North Korea. This AI-enabled employment fraud not only breaches company trust, but also potentially violates international sanctions by enabling unwitting payment to sanctioned entities. This dual revelation highlights the urgent need for robust AI security protocols and ethical guidelines as AI technology becomes increasingly integrated into both legitimate and illicit activities. These AI exploits are alarming, but what about the AI models themselves and how they're evolving? We're looking at a major update that puts user control front and center. User control revolution. Anthropic empowers Claude users. In a significant move towards user-centric AI development, Anthropic has updated its consumer terms and privacy policy, granting users unprecedented control over how their data is used to train the Claude AI. This policy update allows users to decide whether their interactions will contribute to improving Claude's capabilities and enhancing its safeguards against harmful activities like scams and abusive content. The changes are applicable to all users on Anthropic's Claude Free, Pro, and Max plans, including those using Claude Code. Crucially, these updates do not impact commercial services like Claude for Work, Claude Gov, Claude for Education, or API usage via platforms such as Amazon Bedrock and Google Cloud's Vertex AI, maintaining a clear distinction between consumer and enterprise offerings. By opting in, users can directly contribute to making Claude safer and more effective, aiding in the refinement of systems that detect malicious content and reducing the likelihood of misidentifying harmless conversations. Furthermore, shared data will help future Claude models excel in complex tasks like coding, data analysis, and reasoning. Anthropic has stressed that users have complete control over this setting and can modify their preferences at any time. New users will encounter this choice during the sign-up process, while existing users will receive a notification to review the updated terms and make their decision. A specific deadline of September 28, 2025 has been set for current users to make their choice. After this date, continued access to Claude will require a selection to be made in the model training settings. This initiative reflects a broader industry trend where AI companies are striving to balance enhanced AI capabilities with user privacy and safety, marking a pivotal moment in the evolution of AI interaction and data governance. While user control is advancing, one AI model is facing a different kind of scrutiny regarding its capabilities. We're about to explore a development that could redefine AI's role in creative fields. AI's creative leap. New model promises unprecedented capabilities. In a development that could significantly alter the landscape of digital content creation, a leading AI research company is reportedly developing a new generation of AI models with vastly expanded capabilities. While specific details remain under wraps, industry whispers suggest these upcoming models will push the boundaries of what AI can achieve in areas such as natural language understanding, complex problem-solving, and creative generation. Sources close to the development indicate a focus on enhancing the AI's ability to understand nuanced context, generate highly coherent and creative text formats, and even assist in complex coding and analytical tasks with greater accuracy and efficiency than current iterations. This next-generation AI is expected to feature significant architectural improvements, potentially incorporating novel training methodologies that allow for more sophisticated learning and adaptation. The company has hinted at a more intuitive user interface and expanded API access, aiming to democratize access to advanced AI tools for developers and creators alike. Market analysts are predicting a substantial impact on industries ranging from software development and content creation to scientific research and customer service, potentially leading to significant productivity gains and the emergence of entirely new applications. Performance benchmarks, though not yet publicly released, are rumored to show dramatic improvements in areas like response speed, factual accuracy, and the ability to handle highly complex, multi-turn conversations. The release timeline is anticipated to be within the next year, with beta testing expected to commence in the coming months. This advancement represents a crucial step forward in the quest for more powerful and versatile artificial intelligence, promising to unlock new levels of innovation and efficiency across the digital spectrum. These AI advancements are truly remarkable, but they also raise crucial questions about the future of our digital interactions. Stay with us as we wrap up the biggest AI stories of the week. That's a wrap on another packed edition of ChatGPT Insights. We covered Anthropic's new data training policies, the alarming weaponization of AI in cybercrime, users gaining more control over their data, and groundbreaking advancements in AI model capabilities. Don't miss out on future deep dives. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and share your thoughts in the comments below. You can also follow us on all our social channels for more real-time updates. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.